Hi everyone and welcome back to another video from Layers. This is Mahta, Customer Success Specialist at Layers, and in this video I will talk about tags in Layers.app. I'll show you how to add tags to your online 3D printing shop in countries you provide service, and set various tax rates for different countries and districts. Start by going to layers.app/admin, then click on Settings and choose Taxes. To define a new tax region, you should first click on Add a new country and choose a country from the list. Here you should type the tax rate. For example, you can type 10, which means that the collected tax will be 10% for that specific country. You can also turn Collect the same rate for the entire country off by clicking on it. This way, you will be able to define a different tax rate for each state or province. Here you can see various districts for which you can define specific tax rates. Remember that you can add as many countries as you wish with no limitations. Thanks for watching and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to watch the payment settings video to complete setting up your website's payment options.